What are you saying, guys? It's a time to be chefing it up. Actually, I can't lie. There's no time. Meal prep. I'm gonna do it right now. Sort it out. So I'm making salad. I forgot to buy, what's it called? Lettuce. Was it lettuce? Salad. So we got mixed peppers here. What's this? Celery and cucumbers. I'm gonna have tuna with it. I'm just making all of this in a big ass bowl. Let me put it in this right here. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna rinse these off. Start chopping it up. I'm gonna rinse that quickly in the sink. Bro, look at that technique, man. Easy peasy. I'm be feeling like some Gordon Ramsay type shit, man. Right back there. Repeat with the same thing with the celery. Easy done now. Bruh. Hey. So this is it, man. For the week ski. One big air bowl. What's this? 3 liters, so like 3 kg. Light work. That's going straight in the fridge. Hey guys, got a watermelon here. Apparently, when there's like a light spot on it, that means it's good. Got some good sun. Gonna cut this up. Watermelon, good fruit, low calorie, light work. I'm gonna pack it in though. That's the issue. It's looking healthy. Can I palm this? Look at that. Make this a thumbnail. Watermelon is what's like I say, imperative. You need this in your life, man. Watermelon, high water content. It's basically like you're eating nothing. And it's kind of filling if you have quite a decent amount. If you got a sweet tooth, this is perfect for you. Cut out all that sugar. And you be chilling, man. Have this, have some decent fruits. What other fruits do I like to eat? So you got pomegranate here. Also I eat oranges, kiwis. Bro, most fruit, I fuck with them, man. I got like frozen stuff as well. What's this? Frozen exotic smoothie in it. So it's got frozen pineapple, papaya, mango pieces. And then even here, hey, smooth this out. Got this as well. Full berry medley. This is what I put in my smoothie. Get some yogurt, put this and the mangoes and that. Bro, 10-10. Don't say I don't put you on. Look at that. All done. All cut up and ready for the week ahead. We need to prepare the beef. Quick interlude. The camera stopped recording as I'm editing it right now. I noticed that what I'm missing is I cut up a whole bag of sweet potatoes, 1 kg, and put it in the oven. Just seasoned it with garlic. You can probably see that the oven is on in the next clip. And then I cut up 3 bell peppers, so the red, green, and the orange one, as you can see in the next clip as well. So yeah, back to the video, guys. Turns out I was missing. I forgot I was missing something, so needed garlic and onion. I'm gonna chop this up. For the beef. So let me weigh this out. Zero this quickly. 679 grams. What's this? What are you doing there, mate? What are you doing there, mate? Come on. Shaky little bugger. Make sure you're tidying as you go in there. You don't want it to be all packed up at the end. Easy chili. White wine vinegar. Soy sauce. Light soy sauce. And some ginger, bro. And some sesame oil. Yeah, forgot this corn flour as well. Staring me right in the face. This is dried pepper. The spicy stuff. If you guys don't have this, use like black pepper or something. Get my white vinegar in there. Some garlic in there. Some flour. Got some soy sauce in there, B. This is dark soy sauce. White soy sauce. A bit of pepper in there. You don't want to be getting this stuff in your eyes. Some oil. Just to mix it in. Yeah. For the sauce, gonna get some dark soy sauce in the bowl. Lemon water. Ketchup. Got some beef stock in here. Gonna melt it in that. Some hot water. Yeah. And some honey. Some more. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Add some sesame oil. If you have a wok, this is better. This is the only pan I have, so I'm making do with what God has provided me. Should be hot enough. Back to the cooking. Let's get it, man. We'll be done soon, but this induction hob, man. Need that gas flame. I need a wok. If you have the money, invest in a wok. These frying pans, yeah, take like what for like 3 hours, bro. Bell peppers, onions, garlic, sauce. This is almost done-ish. It's getting thick because of the cornstarch, but it's looking good. It's looking good. Yeah, so I'm gonna scrape this into a bowl here. Flipping out, man. It's not looking good, bro. That's it. Delicioso. It's time for the onions. Add this as well. I think I should have made these a little bit smaller, but yeah, it's been a little bit now. To add the beef back in. That's why you need a wok, man. Look at this struggle pan that I'm using. And I could have done this in the pot to be fair, but it'd be harder to see. A special saucy. Allah, it's looking good though. I'll give it that. It's looking decent. Yeah, it's bubbling. I can't lie, low-key should have done this inside a pot. But it's looking good. Time to portion it out now. I can't lie, it's time to portion it up. I'm gonna be using these 4 bowls. 5. Monday to Friday. It's Monday today, so this one I'm eating tonight. Wanna come back from bro, this sauce is banging. Are they good though? Are they good? You guys should like and subscribe right now for all this hard work. It's Monday to Saturday sorted. Now we got the stuff in the oven. Let's do some YouTube magic. Bam! The YouTube magic has been done. And like, that was so corny, oh my days. So now I'm gonna split this into the 6. Trust me, for the week. Yeah, and that's how it's looking. Let me show you guys a close up. underneath the lion, like, bro, for the week. Come on, yeah, come on. Hey, God did. Anyway, yeah, look at it. Pretty balanced. I can't lie. You guys should comment what you think. Let me know what you think, man. Got the 6 for the week. For the week ski. For the week ski. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's what I made for the week. Beef and sweet potatoes with some peppers, or some watermelon and salad. And yeah, that's it for the week. Catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm checking that you're doing it right now. I'm giving you time. Anyway, love. Catch you guys later. Safe.